Say hello to George Peterson. George has the best job because every single day he gets to play with cool toys like axes, chainsaws, and fire.
Breaking things is fun.
All of this destruction is a part of the creative process. When the pieces are broken, he assembles them in a new fashion, creating works of art, such as bowls, carved totem poles, tables, and sculptures. His pieces have made it to some very cool places, including the Oval Office. Some of his most unique pieces of art are skateboards.
Because I love to skate, and they're made out of wood, so why not?
First, he visualizes the project, then he gets to work, breaking, drilling, cutting, stitching, and sanding, creating new pieces that are all original.
Because you gotta destroy to create.
And the pieces are quite beautiful, I might add.
And I learned something today. Don't be afraid to get out there and break things, because you never know what you might create.